Today, we're diving into the Huawei Nova Flip, Huawei's first flip phone in the Nova series. No need to flip through tons of videos, because I've got all the details right here. Starting with the design, the Nova Flip comes in two snazzy variants, one with a classy leather finish and the other with a sleek glass back. The leather model folds down to a compact 15.08mm when closed and opens up to just 6.88mm thick, weighing a lightweight 195 grams. The glass version is almost the same, just a tad thicker at 15.12mm and a bit heavier at 199 grams. It's available in 4 eye-catching colors: New Green, Sakura Pink, Zero White, and Starry Black. Now let's flip it open and talk about the screens. The main display is a gorgeous 6.94-inch LTPO panel with a sharp 2690 by 1136 resolution and a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, perfect for binge watching your favorite shows or scrolling through social media. On the outside, there's a handy 2.14-inch OLED cover screen. It's a bit smaller and only has a 60 Hz refresh rate, which might make you flip open the phone more often than you'd like. Huawei could have stepped it up here, especially for a brand known for its high-end features, even if this is a mid-range model. The cameras are where things get really interesting. On the back, you've got a dual camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel main shooter with a large f1.9 aperture, perfect for snapping sharp photos, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera that's great for capturing those expansive landscapes or group photos. The main camera uses Huawei's RYYB sensor tech, which swaps out green pixels for yellow ones, letting in more light. This means better photos in low light conditions, so your night shots should turn out fantastic. For selfies, there's a beefy 32MP camera on the front, way better than the 10.7MP camera on the older Pocket 2. It's got all the pixels you need for clear, detailed selfies. Under the hood, the Nova Flip runs on Huawei's HarmonyOS, delivering a smooth and seamless user experience. The OS is designed to work well with a growing ecosystem of apps and services, and Huawei's likely to include some AI-powered features that enhance everything from performance to photography. Powering all of this is the Kirin 8000 chip, the same one in the Nova 12 Pro. No surprise there, considering how much it's likely to cost at launch. It's paired with a whopping 12 gigs of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage. This combo should handle pretty much anything you throw at it, from multitasking to mobile gaming. The Nova Flip is also equipped with a 4400 mAh battery and supports 66-watt fast charging. Now, onto pricing and availability. One of the Nova Flip's big selling points is its competitive pricing. Huawei aims to make foldable technology more accessible, and the Nova Flip is set to be a more affordable option compared to other flagship foldable phones. While the exact pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, but it'll be around 5,000 yuan, or roughly $698. That wraps up our deep dive into the Huawei Nova Flip. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for hanging out with me, and catch you in the next video. Peace out.